Private Lender Link has formed a partnership with Lightning Docs to publish data about the average interest rates for private mortgages secured by investment real estate in multiple states. Through their automated loan documents preparation software, Lightning Docs aggregates the average interest rates for short-term business purpose loans and for DSCR long-term rental loans. Both of our companies strive to provide the public with valuable information on private lending, and interest rates are typically the top data point that people in our industry are keen on keeping up to date with. Providing information on current interest rates is essential for the real estate investors and the mortgage brokers who use our platform to search for lenders. It sets realistic expectations about the typical pricing that they're likely to be quoted. Lightning Docs has agreed to provide us with the data on a quarterly basis. To start this campaign in January 2024, we have the average interest rates for the fourth quarter of 2023 for most states. For DSCR long-term rental loans, we have published rates for 27 states. For short-term bridge loans, we published the average interest rates for 30 states. Like many other companies in our industry do, Lightning Docs considers all short-term loans to be classified as bridge loans. Most of these loans are rehab, fix, and flip, but it also includes ground-up construction, refinance loans, equity cash-out, and purchase loans for stabilized properties. One of the key factors which I appreciate about the dataset is that it includes the number of transactions in each state that were used to generate the average interest rate. If there were less than 6 transactions in a particular state for the quarter, that state is excluded from the dataset. This transparency in disclosing the number of transactions in each state shows Lightning Docs' commitment to providing high-quality and trustworthy data. So where can you find the current interest rates data? Simply perform a search for lenders on privatelenderlink.com. This is open to the public. You don't have to register or pay for access. From the homepage, click Browse Lenders, then select a loan type. For DSCR loans, select Residential Long-Term Rental. For short-term loans, you can find the data in 3 different categories: private money, hard money, and residential bridge. All 3 of these terms essentially mean the same thing and typically generate the same search results. Once you see the lender cards, scroll to the bottom of the list and you'll find a text block with the interest rates data. If you don't see this, it means that we don't have the data for the state in which you searched. Every private mortgage transaction in the United States requires a written agreement between the lender and the borrower. The set of contracts for each transaction are commonly known as loan documents. They include the annual interest rate, the fees, the points, default interest, and many other terms. The interest rate data we publish comes from loan documents which are generated by Lightning Docs. And many reputable private lending companies of all sizes use this software to automatically generate the loan docs for all of the loans that they fund. The contracts offered by Lightning Docs are produced by Gerasi LLP, one of the largest law firms serving the private lending industry. If you're a lender, reach out to Lightning Docs to learn more about their services, and they may be able to provide you with a lot more data than what we publish on our site. Also, visit the news and content section of our website to find a collection of videos and articles featuring an interview that I did with Lightning Docs CEO Nima Dagbandhan. These resources offer a wealth of valuable insights and information specifically focused on loan documents for private lending.